Hey guys, it's Bobby coming at you with another video. So it's inspired by one of my YouTube viewers or subscribers, and what he said was, "Hey, what kind of results of the Dropshipping Titans course have you seen?" Right. So using that method, mainly my main store. In this video, I'll show you my results on my December sales. So stay tuned. I also got something special for you guys at the end. Special announcement from my end, at least. So stick to the end, guys. So to answer your question, using the drop shipping titans, aka Paul Lipsky's method, right? I'm glad to say I finally hit $12,000 this month. $12,000, a little over $12,000. It is my main account, guys. So it's a very, very, very big account. For it to grow 32%. Could be because quarter 4. Could be because, being very consistent and hiring VAs. So all I can say is it's just going to go up from there, hopefully. Stay tuned next month. You'll see. All right, like I said, September, I slowly prune listings here, okay? And I didn't want to get rid of everything within the past, things that has not sold within over 90 days, right? Because it's quarter 4. I know it's going to be the busiest season, so it's a little different this month, okay? So as I do prune those older listings, I add more. So if I don't have any more items to add, I will not, remove my listings. Just because, like I said, the nature of quarter 4 is crazy, right? All right, and I added more Salefreaks items to this. So, but like I said, 80% of my store is still Paul Lipsky's store, essentially, the method. So I did have to go back to, instead of using the item locator a lot, right? I can go over this later, but I really use like Very Hot Plus. Um, it wasn't netting a lot of or high converting items for the store the way that I wanted it, quarter 4 at least. So I went back to, like I said, Paul Lipsky's way, dropship and Titans method. Okay. So using Zeek Analytics and Tule Hunter to find hot selling items and sniping the items. Okay. And then optimizing the titles with my own keywords, aka snoptimization. Okay. So with this method, I set a profit margin of 8% on average, right? And that's how I went with this store. And like I said, it worked. I mean, hit 12K. First 12K ever. You guys been following me. This is my highest month. And my first quarter 4. I just started in February, January, February-ish. All right, second store. A little disappointed, but it'll get there. It's an open box store. If you guys don't know anything about that, the cliff notes on that is it's a Salefreaks feature. If you have more than 5,000 listing plan with them, you can use their open box feature, which essentially you go through it's an Amazon.com thing, right? Amazon warehouse, and you're selling the like new or very good quality one, the used one, essentially, not new. Okay. And December sales, I can show about $800. Okay. Big drop in sales due to me still learning how to do this method, okay, or using the feature. At first, I thought it was easy, just put it in the item locator for Salefreaks and let it find my items for me. But not so easy. You list the wrong items or the wrong categories or type of items, you get returns. So I have high rates of returns. So I was like, oh, no. All right, I got to rethink the strategy. And I also have Tyler on my side where essentially he's like, You have to be more selective. I'm like, yes, I know. So deleting items with high returns, optimizing my whole store with, low cost items, high profit margin, and low return rates. Okay. So still in the testing phase. Stay tuned. You'll see better results next time or next month. Hopefully. Still a game changer though. No other software will let you do this, right? List use items, unless you're manually doing it. If you are, good for you. If not, if you're like me, work a full-time job, I do not have time to manually list open box items. All right. Store number 3, if you remember. This was my newest store in the last video, right? Sales, a little disappointing. Oh wait, open box is almost 3,000. I'm sorry. And then store number 3 is about 800. Disappointing, I know. Initially, this was for the ecom Tom's method, where he does the bulk Amazon sniping thing. Worked for a little bit. Brought me up to $3,000 if you saw the last one. But I went another way with that. I can't do too much with Amazon. I just want to do a couple strategies. Or I already have like 2 or 3 actually, but my new plan for this store is to prune all my listings. If it's more than 30 days without a sale, it's gonna go. If it does if it's sold, I'm leaving it on there obviously, right? And my plan for this store, like I said, very excited for it actually. New plan, new strategy, old strategy, but new way of doing it. Stay tuned. I'll show you on the last slide. It's something that I think will elevate my game. Definitely elevate anyone else's game. But okay, Bright Tide is top rated. I didn't even know this, guys. Like, to be top rated, you have to have a 90-day old account. Like, I didn't even realize it. Like, just because I was using Salefreaks and automated everything. Okay, seasoned account. I got a message saying, "Hey, this is a top rated account. Congratulations, yada yada yada," through eBay message. I'm like, "Oh, nice, sweet." I didn't even try to, and I'll explain later why. Obviously, so it's seasoned, ready to crank up the sales. I'm trying to avoid a lot of MC001 suspensions, and the main thing is selling and scaling too quickly. So it's the number of transactions and the number of dollar amounts. Store number 4. Okay, it's my new sniping store. If you saw my last video, it did about 2,000 within 14 to 15 days or something like that. The first 14 days, just because it's a new store lift or non-flaggage, right? But my sniping store. But ever since I've heard everyone getting suspended for scaling too fast, I purposely slowed it down. I did not want to deal with that, okay? And I'm patient. I'll wait. December sales, 1,800. Main strategy, just sniping. What is sniping? Sniping, if you guys don't know, is basically finding hot selling items. My criteria is more than 4 times a month, right? Taking that item, same item, copying that title, pasting it onto yours, and lowering the price to beat that particular seller, right? So my plan, 1 listing per day for the last 30 days. So about 30 listings right now. And 1 quality snipe listing. Like, I'm looking for big margins. So someone that's selling 15 to 20% margins, I'm just dropping the price to a 10% margin. Like, that's my strategy for now. And obviously, the higher I scale, the flexible that gets. Grow steadily, avoid the eBay suspension, like I said. All right. Store number 5. Tyler's method. Dropship Tyler's method. And Anthony. Sales, 1,900. 1,900. Okay? Roughly. And to avoid that, like I said, suspension, growing slow and steady. Listing 10 items per day. Just gradually, just to avoid, like I said, the high sales velocity suspension is what I call it. Okay. And just a little bit about his method. So basically, this store is fully automated, fully integrated to Salefreaks. Okay. So the only time I actually work on the store is listing 10 items per day. By work, I mean I go into Chili Hunter, and as described in one of his YouTube videos or his course and his mentorship group, essentially the Chili Hunter, Tyler's way, Auntie's way. Okay. So you go through eBay categories, right? You plug it into Chili Hunter. You filter it by Amazon only items. And for me, I'm doing at least $1, more than $1 profit per item, right? And then I'm saving those sellers, building a sellers list, and sniping them every day. So putting them into the auto scan, going into the auto scan results every day, exporting 10 good items that I carefully choose, make sure the title is okay, and export it to Salefreaks. Salefreaks will list it for me, control the profits for me, automatically order through auto ordering system, upload tracking, and ask for feedback at this time now. So all automated. Like I called to increase my selling limits, and so this is how my recent conversation with the eBay sales rep was, customer service rep was. They're like, "Ooh, okay, let me look at your account." After looking at their account, she was like, "Wow." She praised me. She's like, "Wow, you have over 120 transactions within the past 30 days." And my metric is like awesome. They're like, "Yeah, you would be top rated if it is a 90-day account. Like, keep doing what you're doing." I looked at my account. I'm like, wow, I have like 130 transactions. My validated tracking on time was like 99%. I'm like, what is going on? I mean, that is the power of Salefreaks, guys. And automation. Like, you take the human of me being busy, with my busy full-time job and Christmas and family gatherings, and let this software do the job for you guys. Like, this is crazy. I I was like, what? So yeah, top rated eligibility already. But no, I gotta wait for 9 days, obviously. But just saying, like, all these items, right, getting ordered. Like, I didn't even know I had that much. I didn't even know I had that much transactions. Like, I didn't even touch this. I just went in there, like, legit 5 minutes a day just to list these 10 items and go. And I'm done, right? But knowing that I got this, 1900 with no involvement at all, basically, it's crazy. Next step is to scale it up, slowly. And once I get more customer service issues, hire my part-time or delegate my full-time VA just to do customer service on this account. All right, that's about it, guys. I mean, Salefreaks, still way to go. Link is down below. 50% off with my affiliate link. 3 to 6 months, 50% off. Just to show you top rated, how it got top rated was, like I said, through Salefreaks. I mean, automatically uploading, automatically ordering. And they actually changed their tracking, which I can do another video on. It's pretty intense. To Blue Care Express, which is now trackable and can be validated through eBay.com. So instead of Amazon logistics, you will be winning a lot of your item not received cases, by the way, and top rated like I did. So as I teased before, my store number 3, priming it for Mark's Inner Circle. Planning to do that fully DS Genie. I just recently joined his Inner Circle, and this guy knows what he's talking about when it comes to sniping. Okay. Planning to attend the Grind Camp 2019. Just to get away from everything, be around with people who are doing the same thing as me, masterminding, right? And just having a good time, I guess. I mean, kind of wanted to just get away and work, okay? Get away and work. Like, get rid of my distractions here. Family, jobs, other stresses. I don't want to be distracted. I just want to focus for a week or two. And that's my way of doing it. All right. And then Amazon dropshipping, private labeling, Amanda Kaufman's way, Matt Gambrell's way. They're all good options. But the mastermind that Rico, the Amazon domination crew, right, the instructor, they're doing a mastermind meet in Pennsylvania. They care about their students. So there, I just went on to the announcement for this event. Madman, he loves his students. We're like his kids. It's crazy. His number one, him and Dan, their number one goal is for us to be successful. They do not need to be successful. They already have their awesome paying engineer jobs, right? But they're here for the students at this point. So they rented this Airbnb, 6 bedrooms, 11 beds, 5 baths, right, for the weekend for us, where we can mastermind in this awesome vacation house. See that? So I'm excited. I want to elevate my Amazon private label game just because, I've been so distracted with Q4, mainly focused on eBay. It's been very busy. I overestimated how Q4 was going to kick my ass. But hey, sales are going through for me. So the skinny on this is I did 5 about 2 months ago. About 30, maybe 30, 35 listings, including variations, and got 5 sales in the past month. So I'm kind of happy. 5 sales and without doing much. And I am slacking. I need to get on this bandwagon again. So once things slow down for me, focus on private labeling, because essentially that's the way to have my own brand and eventually my own FBA product. This is a means to, test my FBA items. All right. And another thing I was doing was Passive Income Lifestyle by ODI Productions. Big affiliate marketing guy. And like I said, I'll go over that in another video. This is beyond the scope of this. Didn't want it to go this long, but it has. So thank you. Please click the thumbs up, subscribe, click the notification bell, share with people who you think would like this content. Comment below with any questions or any video ideas, just like the person who wanted a result of Dropshipping Titans. And of course, I got affiliate links, things that I use personally. Salefreaks, DSM tool. Salefreaks, 50% off within the next 3 to 6 months. For the 3 to 6 months, right? And DSM tool, first 50 listings free. And if you need help setting it up, I can do a one-on-one with you, free one-on-one, whatever. Get on a call and I can walk you through or send you to one of my videos. Dropshipping courses like Dropshipping Titans, thank you, Paul Lipsky, where he just updated everything for his course. Ecom Toms, so Dropshipping University, same thing. He's updating the course in January. Who else? Rico's course, Amazon private label dropshipping. Link is down below. And also Amanda and Matt Gambrell's, which I went through Amanda's course. Very good for basics. Very good. I've seen my fellow mastermind person, which I don't want to list his name because I'm not sure if he wants his name out there. He did the Amanda Kaufman course and did her teachings diligently, right? I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. For the past 30 days, almost hit 10,000 in sales. So it works, guys. Just gotta plug in. Just gotta plug in. But all right, guys, it's time to go. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.